guys, we're back again. It's Team R for UL. We're back again, and what we're doing this time round is we're in the garage and we've got a 2012 Seat Ibiza FR here, right, top of the range. And what we're going to do is, he's had a little bump on the front. We're going to change the wishbone, the shock absorber, whatever he needs. But this video is a shock absorber video, right? This is how you replace the shock absorber on a 2012 Seat Ibiza. Let's go. Right, there's the car in all its glory. First thing we're going to do is, I've cracked the wheels while it's on the floor. Good job just to crack the wheels, 17 milli. Take this off. We're going to take the wiper arms off because we need to get to that bolt there, that nut there. So we need to take the wiper arms off. Yeah, let's go. Right guys, that panel is totally off. I mean, if you want to, you can struggle, leave the panel on and just lift it up and try getting that nut off, but what the hell, if it comes off nice and easy like that, you might as well just take it off, and it gives you access to the nut on the top. You can get a socket on there, you can get the gun on there, absolutely no problem. Right, what we're going to do is, reason being, we're going to attempt to take this off first, right, because that's the main thing. We take that off, rest of the job should be nice and easy. If that doesn't come off, then it's going to make our life hard, basically. So what we do is, I think it's a 21 socket head. Get that on, get a ratchet, socket, or whatever gun on that. Try zipping that off. Alright guys, now that these are like 95% off, as you can see it's all freestyling moving, we're going to send the car up and tackle it from bottom. Alright guys, wheels off and everything. What we're going to do is, we're going to take this centre nut off. Okay, we're going to take the full leg off. I mean, you can just go taking that nut off there, nut and bolt off, and then knock it down, take the shock off that way. I think it's more hassle. So basically this one, it needs a wishbone anyway. As you can see, the wishbone is absolutely dead, but forget that. What we do is, we take the centre nut off, take the brake caliper off, take the drop link off, right, take the ball joints off. We're going to replace the whole thing anyway, so what we do is, just for now, we can just go ahead and just take them three off, and then when it's on the floor, we can take that nut off. Yeah, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. Alright guys, everything is off now. The shocker, we just got the top nut on the shocker, and that's about it. This whole leg will come off. Basically, I'm going to run through it. Link rod, drop link is off. The caliper is off. 3 bolts on the ball joints are off. 3 nuts on the ball joints are off. Center nut is off. Tracker end nut is off. The ABS sensor wire, that's off. Sorry about the noise in the background. And that's about it. Let's send it down. Take the top nut off. Let's go. There we go guys, look at that. All off, loose, everything, all the nuts, bolts, everything off. This way I think is the easy way. Then what you do is, when you get the full leg off, take that nut and bolt off, knock the shocker hub down, and then that's it. Right guys, I've just sent the car down, as you can see there. I mean, you can do this on the floor as well. If you jack it up and everything, it's pretty much easy. If all the bolts come off, you can do it on the floor as well. The last nut now, I'm going to take that nut off. Obviously I have to hold the shocker with one hand and take that off with one hand, so basically I can't show you guys, but I'll try to get it on the stand actually. And then what it is, because I've got the camera in the hand, so I can't. Yeah, so yeah, take that one off, hold the shocker leg, it should come straight off. There we have it guys, the whole shocker leg, hub, everything's off. I do it this way, I think it's easier this way. All we do now is take that nut and bolt off, knock that hub off, happy days, all done. Flat chisel, There we go, happy days. Let's go replace the shock absorber. Okay guys, as you can see I've got it all clamped up and everything. I would recommend you do it on the spring clamp like that, but if you're doing it at home, just try getting, you know, those singular ones, those individual clamps. You can do it with them, but be careful, be safe. You don't want it flying off and hitting you. So anyway, all we do now is there we have it guys. Shocker is all built up, the springs all built up and everything. All we do now is basically line that locator to the cutout there. Trying to do this with one hand, obviously take the chisel out. That will go straight in. Put the nut and bolt back on. Refit it in reverse order. Let's go guys, home stretch. Right guys, we've got the shocker back on. With a little bit of help from my brother. Obviously I couldn't lift it up and put the nut on at the same time. Not that strong, you know. And I'm strong, but not that strong. Only messing guys. Right, so I lifted it up. He put the shocker nut back on. Happy days. What we're going to do now, send it back up. He's just doing the other side. Right, while he's doing the other side, I'll finish this side off. So what we're going to do is we're going to send it back up and finish everything off on the bottom. Put the wishbone back on, ball joint back on, link rods back on, everything back on. Let's go. Right guys, the shocker is back on, everything, well, except for the link rod. I'm going to put that link rod nut back on, which is here. Right guys, everything is back on. We've got the link rod back on. The tractor end is going to go back on. Actually, not everything's back on, but you know, everything is in place. Caliper is going to go back on here. Right, and yeah, basically fit everything in reverse order, and that's it. Right guys, everything is done. As you can see, put the link rod back on. The tractor end's back on. The main bolt is back on. That holds the hub, and the shocker clamps the hub. The caliper's back on. Wishbone's back on. Ball joint is back on. Right, little issue here, I haven't put the center nut on because we have to change the drive shaft. When he had the hit on this side, he's bent the drive shaft. Yeah, so we've ordered a drive shaft is on its way. And yeah, but besides that, the shocker is all done. That's how we replace the shocker. Monroe original, use Monroe. I think they're one of the best shockers. You can use Continental on another make with their cheaper brand. I think Monroe's the way to go. That's how we replace the shock absorber on a 2012 Seat Ibiza, or Ibiza if you want to call it, Ibiza, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section and I will see you guys soon.